Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The Sales Orders window is used to enter amounts of goods or services that the customer agrees to buy, but which are not shipped and invoiced immediately. Remember, entering sales orders does not impact the amounts shown in the Accounts Receivable General Ledger account. To open the Sales Orders window, just select Tasks, Rollover, Quotes, and Sales Orders, and then choose Sales Orders from the side menu that appears. Once again, start by selecting the customer ID of the customer for whom you're creating the sales order. Then enter the sales order number, which is the sales order number assigned to the transaction. You will also enter the sales order's date by entering it into the date field, and the ship by date. You will see the billing address of the customer appear within the form. If the billing address is different from the shipping address, you can enter the shipping address here as well. You may also notice a small checkbox for Close SO. You can check this box to manually close a sales order if needed. Otherwise, it will automatically check itself once all items from a sales order have been shipped and invoiced. Now, below that, the customer PO, ship via, terms, and sales rep assigned to the customer record should all appear. If you're displaying general ledger accounts within your receivables forms, you may also be able to use the Accounts Receivable account drop-down, if displayed, to select which account the sales order will debit when the items are shipped. Next, you simply fill in the line item area below with the information about your items sold. The quantity field indicates how many are ordered. The shipped field indicates how many were shipped on previous invoices, so you use this for tracking later on. The item field shows the item ID of inventory items within the sales order. The description simply shows the associated description for the selected item, or you can also type a line item description if needed. Once again, if you're displaying general ledger accounts within your receivables forms, then the general ledger account field, if displayed, will show the associated income account affected by the sale of that line item. When ordering items not in inventory, that field will be the customer's default sales account, and it can be changed if needed. You also need to check and/or set the unit price, the tax, and the amount for each line item. You can also assign them to jobs if needed. At the bottom, you need to enter the total freight and set the tax amount. Now, the sales orders total will appear as the sales order total field. The customer account information appears in the lower left corner. This box will show the selected customer's balance, credit limit, and credit status as of the current date. And when you're finished, you can either click the print button to print it, or simply click the save button to save the sales order.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.